Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat. Honey, I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame. Ntombi yaseGqeberha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Simfanele usima uzoshutha akwazi.
Hey, angihlangene nosimami.
No,
Hi,
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what? We are out here doing what we do best. Hi guys, how are you? I'm good. I'm so sorry to ambush you guys. My name is Lisa. I go around asking couples questions. Would you be okay with that?
Where do I mean?
Our phone when?
Siyaphuthuma mama sijahe kabi. Ngiyakulunga namhlanje kusasa.
I'm asking you nicely. You don't mind, do you?
Yes, I don't mind.
But
Yena akamind mina ngiyamind.
5 minutes of your time. We'll take it down to 3 minutes. We'll be very quick, fast.
Awungabuza.
Yeah? Come closer, guys. On my right, now. You stay on my right here.
Okay.
Name?
Awusiboniso eke iqeda kusemnandi.
Yeah. What?
Siboniso eke iqeda kusemnandi.
Where does it come from? What a segment.
Uqeda kusemnandi phela igama lipho inqwele le emakhaya eNewcastle. Ngoba bengiqeda ngesikhathi sami phela. Ngisafunda isikole kodwa manje hayi sengihamba ngolayini.
No, waqeda kumnandi.
Bangiqeda phela. Yabona mangiqede namanje la eceleni.
Okay, Siboniso, right?
Esiboniso.
Okay, and?
Dumi. Yes.
Dumi, how long have you been with Siboniso?
6 months.
6 months.
Yes.
Still going strong.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, you said it's Dumi.
Yes.
All right, and you've been together for 6 months.
Yes.
All right. Siboniso, where did you meet Dumi?
Sahlangana khona ngihamba ngaphamana yabona. Ngasinama ngafishama bila mathatha amagama phela. Phela uma uthi waZulu phela intombi enhle ngimele indlulo ihambe kanjalo nje ungakhuluma ngalutho. Kwase kwaqondana.
Really?
Kwaqondana nje ngqo.
So ukwazi udlula if it's a pretty girl?
Ngikhona ngidlobuya short division mali eqona.
Ne?
Embona muhle kanjani.
Yes.
Ngisho smile yabona mama.
Now that you're in a relationship, uyadlula intombi enhle. Now that you're in a relationship.
Cha yena muhle ngaphakathi nangaphandle.
Yeah. But now that you're in a relationship when she's not around, uyadlula intombi enhle.
Hayi phela manje singiyaslice.
Okay. Are you you're not a polygamist, are you? Awufuna isithembu?
Hayi phela hayi manje.
So eventually uzosifuna isithembu.
Manje ngime kahle isithembu sidinga imali hayi manje.
So if you were to have money, ungafuna isithembu?
Yeah, usuku la kithi lona.
Yo, mntasekhaya. Dumi. Yamvuthini.
Kamutla.
How do you feel about that?
I can feel sharp because kubatlo bayiwana kubatle isithembu. Yeah.
Sibonisa.
Uyedwa vele manje.
Manje.
Uyedwa manje.
But xa unemali at least uzokwazi umconvince to avume isithembu.
Athola umuntu ozomlekelela nahlale phansi njengendlovukazi phela.
But when you have money, why does your wife need help? No.
You look so pretty, yay!
Thank you, baby. Can't you see me shooting?
Uyabona nabaningi mabasincoma ibuka sibahle kanjani sethu. Hawu, dark and beautiful phela yena phela.
No, but why does umfazi need ukulekelelwa if you have money? Why can't you hire a helper?
Hayi akanga amahelper.
Akanga. Oh.
Ngifuna nje umuntu ozomsiza wakhe. Mhlawumbe mawuthi yena akekho hambe nomsebenzi. Khona phela uzonginelisa nami njengendoda. Sithi ngagcinza ngangaphela ngaphandle ngamfihle ukuthi khona okhona. Kumele azi khona umlekeleni. Mayengekho khona umsizayo.
Oh.
Kungabe imfihlo nje ukuthi khona okhona.
Okay. Tell me, how do you feel about that?
I feel bad.
Ne?
Yes.
But ndiyamva mna, but damn.
Yeah.
Ne? What we do on this show, okay? Ne?
Yes.
We make couple switch phones. We do a loyalty test. So you swap phones, you check her phone, she checks your phone.
Yabona mama ifoni aqeda uthando ngcono nginishiya.
Siboniso.
Hayi.
Sbo.
Hayi adlali ngefoni.
Jani sana, Junior, you willing?
No. Hey.
You're also not willing?
Yes.
Why not?
But
what if he started his temple already and you don't know about it? Don't you want to know before you carry on?
Yeah, but let's see,
What if he's got his temple right now, but it's a secret? Hey?
Yeah, sharp na kina stress.
Okay. Sbo.
Mama la ikacha kuziliwe manje.
Sbo.
Hayi kule. Azame.
Ne?
Kodwa kufuna uzokuthola. Asibe kanjalo akufuna uzokuthola ukuthi kanjani angazi. Ngeke ngiphendule okuningi.
So you call in the phone in yakho?
Cha kona phela kufunayo mina ngingazi ufuna nefoni yami.
Okay. Okay, phone please, phone. Maybe we'll start with yours. Passcode, password, pattern. Okay. Sbo, go to her WhatsApp.
Okay.
Okay. Type love you.
Azincedini.
That's you, master.
Akusavela mina phela. Phela mina nganje. Ngiyaqondisa phela.
What's uqondisa Sbo?
Ngiyaqondisa.
Uyalungisa intombazane.
Ngamnelisa.
Okay. Delete.
Okay.
Type miss you.
I miss you. Okay.
That's you.
Baqinisene manje phela uthando nginalo. Yabona. Shuthi ngimphethe kahle. Hayi.
Okay. Type babe.
Hey mama ndawo usashela.
Delete.
Hayi.
Okay. Type thank you. Let's see who's doing her favors.
Okay. Akuvela usiswakhe la.
Hey, hayi sana Tumi.
Uyiphethe kahle shana.
Delete.
Okay.
Type Standwa. What does she call you?
Hayi ngibiza ngonke amagama. Abingize na ubani urato la.
Okay.
Okay. Stand. Hayi.
Okay.
Still kuvela mina.
Yeah, hayi sana. Delete. This girl, type Rato.
Rato.
Hey, you again.
Akusemi mina.
Delete, type outside.
Yo.
Let's see who's fetching her. Hey. Hi, Nkosi Tumi, thank you. Loyal. Listen. Sbo.
Hey.
Sutatazela vula phone.
Cha phela lena
Sutatazela vula phone.
akuvumele into enenza ngempela.
Vula phone Sbo. Hey, vula phone. Oh.
Mama ukufuna uzokuthola. Silungise.
Suchaza. Suchaza. Okay. Type I love you. Okay, at least that's you. Okay, delete. Type mama. Hey, Zbang.
That's me.
Okay. Delete.
Awungiphethe kahle phela mina.
Yeah, you're not comfortable where you are. Type outside. Don't let's see Banap. Yeah, you lose. Who are you fetching? Who are you fetching?
Ulusha.
Lusha. What's in there?
Hayi yabona ulusha. Ulusha uthola nophila yabo. Manje uphila uphatha ifoni yami akana phone. Manje sa. Yabo.
Go into pictures. Media. What did Lusha? Oh, Lusha, what did Lusha send you?
Hayi phela ngithi ngishilo ifoni sayishela. Okulapho ngiyangikwazi.
Can you call Lusha? Is she gonna say the same thing?
Amase simfonela futhi. Umuntu wakhe ngeke futhi lana. Kanjani?
Let's call Lusha, ne? Sibo. Sina nizenzayo? Please hold thumbs. Hi, am I speaking to Lucia? Hello?
Hello.
Hi, am I speaking to Lucia?
Yeah.
Lucia, do you know Usbonel?
Sorry?
Do you know Usbo?
Kyamtsiba.
Sboniso, sorry.
Kyamtsiba.
Okay, what is she? What is he to you?
Kimtwa.
Ah, for how long?
Ronald Bukai, 1 year 3 months. Why?
Uyabona bami mina angijoli nawe mina. Angijoli nawe khuleka nje.
Hayi bo. Hayi bo.
Singasaqilazana. Angijoli nawe.
Sibonele.
Mana,
awufikile ekseni la kimi kantweni.
ngenzeni?
Awutlwe mo no sengwena, unorobetse mwake.
Ngale nawe mina. Hayi, yima.
Basho.
Boma uzwangikhatha manje.
Ekseni ngithi.
Hayi. Hayi miyeke.
Dad. 1 year 3 months, so Utum is a side chick.
Cha phela. Utum umuntu engimthandayo. Lona nje angimazi.
Lusha uthi usibonisa kakwazi.
Ansebizwang because uthi wamo wena usenga.
Hey Lusha.
Sibonele ulele kuphi izolo?
Ngilale kuphi? Ngilale endlini. Ngilale endlini. Ufuna ngilalephi? Endlini yami.
Endlini kabani man ungalo endlini kabani?
Hey, wethu. Phuma kumina. Phuma kumina. Ngikwazi nokwazi ukuthi ubani wena qhamuka uzongimoshela manje. Yabona manje. Dala sambe mama.
Hey bathu.
Asibasambe manje.
Bathu.
Sekulate manje.
Sorry, lovey, we have to go. Do me? Are you gonna stay with this man?
No.
This cheating man?
No, I can't.
Where's his phone, Drums?
Ngiyaxolisa.
It's fine, Siboniso, it's fine.
Ngiyaxolisa mama.
6 months.
Mama ukwazi ungishiya kuhlungu kanje na mama.
Ukuthi mina ngiside chick yakho.
Mama umama nokuphila. Wena ukuphila kwami. Uyingxenye yempilo yami mama yakugcela. Ungalingi ukwenza ufuna ukwenza.
No. Hayi ngami, ngiyala ngami.
Gugulami.
Oh, wow.
Awubuka mama.
Poetry.
Uyakubuhle bakho nami bese nakho.
But you cheated most with Lusha.
Ngichazile mama siqala. Ngathi mina ngindoda yomzulu ngiphila kanje. Angikhona ukuphila ngenduku e1.
Hayi.
Awusho ngonjelanga.
Ngeke sengikabeka mina nawe umuntu omdala mina ucabanga ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani.
So ke ngoku you're gonna stay with Lusha but you also want to carry on with
Cha ulusha sengimshile uzwile ngithi akaphume kumina. Sengimshile manje sengifuna ukuphilana nawe Ntumi.
Do me? What do you want to do?
No.
You're done?
We are done.
Okay, it's over.
Kuphela kanjani ngasho mina?
Hayi thina ufuneka kutsho wena kodwa ikuba nguwatshitayo.
Themba lami. Bafu yini manje? Sithanda sami.
You done, Neto? Yes. Okay, sicela usinike spaces but you can actually go. You can actually leave.
How?
Awufuna uhamba?
Sicela sikhulume sithanda.
You'll talk later. Kabe usiya kuLusha. Space, please, bye. Do me, lovey, do you need transport home?
Yes.
We'll take you home.
Thank you.
Asibo, thank you, bye. Uye lapho buvela khona noma buye buvelaphi. Thank you. Thank you. Sana caba there's a Zulu on my stoop. Right, CMTV viewers, that is it from me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _. See you later.
Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Nia Tembanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirami Ntombi Yaseqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
Simfanele sima. Uzosho ukuthi akwazi.
Hey, angihlangene nosimami.
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?